Hello, disappointment. Oh, it's dark. I'm gonna take my dog out, but also, yo, wait. Let me see if I can look at what's behind me. Oh, you can't really see it. This is really weird. My skin. Look who this is. Look, there's a guy. Also, this is my new setup. So we have my art stuff right there. And that's it. So like you can see it. My shoe stuff is right here. And then my masks are right there. Wait, that actually looks so good. Okay, so we're going to take out my dog, guys. Take out my monster. Hi, monster. Stop eating stuff off the floor. You're gonna die because of it. You are. So I'm gonna take him out. Oh, stretches. Stretches. Momo, look, who this? That you? That you? It is. Wait, come here. Hi. Do you need to go outside? You do? Okay. We go public viewing. Okay. Come on. Also, I wish I could because as you guys know, I record on my tablet. Also, I don't record on the YouTube app. Come on. Let's go. Come on. He makes me step out of my room so that he knows. It's dark. Where'd I go? Where'd I go? I'm right here. Okay, here's a little check for you guys. Oh, I don't know if I can. Fit check. Come here. I'm gonna give you a fit check. Come here. Oh. Fit check. You got him right here. You got him. No. It doesn't hurt him when I do that. It's just it's really soft. Cause what, let me go pause like it. She faulted it and she didn't make it really sharp and so it's just like a hood for him. So we're so good. Oh! Okay, it's actually hot out here. Wait. This is a car already what the absolute flip. What the flip flop petty wag give a dog bone, this old man came rolling home. Bomb song. If y'all don't know that song, then y'all didn't have a childhood. Oh, hi car. She looked mad. Don't look mad at me, I'm just a baby. Dude, this strap keeps going over my ear. I'm not complaining, but it's annoying, kind of. But I have it over under my hair. Here we go. Oh, honey, those have thorns on them. If you start bleeding, I'm screaming, loud, as loud as I can. Guys, 4 minutes and 14 seconds. I had to wait until it was 14. 414. 424. Hi, car. Oops. Oh, yeah. Don't look at me, don't yell at me. Thank you. What is that? I'm so confused. Someone die right there? Oh. That. Okay, anyways, come on. Beep, 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 beep. Hi, car. She's trying to avoid me. How rude. I love when people, obviously try and avoid me. It's probably the funniest thing ever. My hair looks horrible. Let me fix that for you guys. Also, did you like so I hope that you'll like the lighting on the shorts, on the last 4 shorts that I posted. It's because of like I don't have any candles in my room, so I used a mushroom light that I had, and it was red, obviously, no duh. And so I put that right next to it. And oh my god, when I reviewed it, because I review all of them just to make sure that I don't show my face, or if I like it, it's a car. And then I'll keep it, or I'll delete it and then redo it. It honestly really depends whether or not I like it, or if it shows my face, especially quad videos or videos when I'm out in public, when they want me to show my face on. Speaking of which, it's hot. That's why I'm doing that. Look at the guy. You're grounded. Hee hee hee. Nature humor. Nature humor. Look, who's that? Momo! Hi! Okay. I'm back. I scared that I was gonna flip it. Because I go because when I put my nose, I go like that. I nod my head hard. Because then it falls on my face. Oh, this kid's. He's a child. Oh, and there's a person right there. I'm just gonna casually walk around. Casually walks around. You're down. Okay. Nice. Let's go. That's funny. Okay. The next video that I'm gonna post is kind of like an underdog. Don't look at me like that. Oh, she stopped. I'm scared. I scored. Oh, don't want me. I'm innocent. I get so paranoid when cars stop or slow down next to me. Come on, close, don't look what I like. I need it on my body and I need it tonight. Come on. Like what I like, I don't care about forever, I just want it tonight. Yummy. Oh. Go. Okay. Whether you're alive out here. Go. Okay, he's out. We're safe. Lock the door. Okay. I will put this. Okay. Nice. Oop. False. Anyways, so just a reminder Thank you so much for 50 subscribers. I'm so happy. You know who else is happy? Mama! Come here! You know who else is happy because you guys subscribed? Come here. Come here. Take off her. Come here. Lola. Mustafa Houdini goes by. Come here. Momo. Do you want a cookie? I got a cookie. Come here. He's being mean. Come here. I got a cookie. Come here. Look. Come here. I got a cookie. Come here. Here. Momo. Come here. Don't yell. Don't be stubborn. This guy's happy. Oh, don't know that. This guy's also happy. Such a happy, happy boy. And a happy, happy boy. He's not scared, I can promise you. Happy, happy boy. Yeah. Okay, wait, I gotta hold you like this. And a happy, happy boy. Boy, happy, happy. Happy, happy boy. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Baby, baby. Anyways, oh, hold on. How am I gonna do this?